Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Facebook without posting. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Facebook profile picture without posting, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And then go to your profile. And here on your profile, just tap your profile picture since you want to change it. And then tap choose profile picture. And after that, you will now be able to see all the photos that are saved on your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your new profile picture on Facebook. And after selecting the photo, don't tap save yet since we want our profile picture to be changed without posting it. So what I want you to do before tapping save, is to uncheck this first. This way, your profile picture will be changed without it being posted. And once you've unchecked it, you can now tap save to completely change your profile picture. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Facebook profile picture will now be changed without it being posted. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.